Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to prepare and electronically file your 1099 NEC forms directly with the IRS using ezW2's built-in Direct e-file feature. It's quick, secure, and perfect for small businesses, accountants, and tax professionals. Before submitting your forms, make sure your information is correct. Double-check recipient names, social security numbers, your company details, and the EIN. Printing a test form is a great way to catch small mistakes before e-filing. Next, if you don't already have a customer account, go ahead and register for one. You'll need it to upload your forms and track their filing status. Finally, purchase the e-file credits for the total number of forms you'll be filing. Part 2, Submitting Forms through Direct e-file. When you're ready to file, open ezW2 and click Direct 1099 e-file at the top. Select the forms you want to submit. If you're filing a correction or replacement, be sure to enter the original IRS receipt ID. Click e-file with Halfpricesoft.com. The program will automatically check your forms for errors. If no validation errors are found, enter your customer account username and password. Then click Upload to submit your 1099 and 1096 forms. Our system will securely transmit your forms to the IRS through our registered TCC and IRS account automatically. After uploading, log into your customer account anytime to monitor your submission status. It usually takes a few hours to 2 business days for the IRS to update the status. If you need help, click the Help menu for a step-by-step guide, or visit our support page on the Halfpricesoft website. E-filing your 1099 NEC forms is fast and stress-free with ezW2. Download the free demo today and see how easy it is to prepare, print, and file your 1099 forms directly to the IRS.